Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're going to make a video just because well, my friend said to, and I'm super bored, and I never made it for a while now. So you could say that again. Okay, now today we're playing Deep.io because I'm too bored of Selsh now because if you've seen the video, it's actually very boring. Um, Yeah, if you really see it, it's super boring. Just- So we're going to try to play Deep.io for my I think 300th time because I really played it a while. For some reason, I'm lagging a lot. I don't know why, but I'm lagging a lot. Well, if you see in my old videos, you say you're lagging there too. So what are you talking about? Never been this laggy though for a while. It's probably because I'm recording a video. Yeah. I'm just gonna try, okay, and if I'm probably gonna suck. Don't blame me, cause I didn't play this for a while now. And for some reason, with this leg, I'm twice the bad. So you're gonna see me be so horrible. So yeah. Oh, I felt like I was gonna puke right there. Oh my. Hmm. Let's see. Mine, 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 mine. If I get hit once, I'm dead. But if I get hit from over there, I'm instantly way too dead. I'm just gonna go down and hope for the best. I don't know what I'm actually gonna be, but I hope I am going to do something. Or maybe this is just gonna be another boring video, like the rest. Okay, I'm just gonna silent for around 1 minute. Mommy, help me! I'm gonna die. No, no. Just wait. I'm healing up still. No. Wow. Oh, I killed him! Holy frick! Holy. Or something? No. Fight me! Okay, you know what? Who am I chasing? I went for this guy over here. Dun 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 dun. Oh! Holy frick! Oh frick! I'm going this way. Get over here! No, get over here! Oh, chase me! Ah! Oh, frick! Oh my. Oh my god, I missed. I missed again! I missed again! Oh my god! I am getting so triggered right now. I'm gonna get so triggered right now. No, just extend the screen. Wow. Kinda. Frick. Mess this thing up. Oh, whatever. You got. What the heck? Die! Die! You shall die! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! I'm gonna die like this. Oh, it's like no, 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 no. Oh, get wreckity wreck. Oh, I have 3 more minutes left. Let's go. I really suck at this game, real bad. I'll just give a shout out to this guy named. Wait. Just wait. Just wait right now. Oh my god. Oh, skill him. Oh my god. I'm almost dead already. Go away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Go. Oh, I killed him. Holy. Boom. Oh, what? I missed again. Twice. It's another boring video. I think it's gonna be another boring video, guys. Wow, 2 shots and I'm almost dead? That's rigged. Oh, frick. Go away. Oh! Oh, got wrecked. Oh, get wrecked. Oh my god. 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 Oh, frick. Frick. Oh, frick. No! Why? You know what? Guys, for you. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Ah! Ah! Rage quit!